Windows play a crucial role in any home, impacting not only its aesthetic appeal but also its energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. For homeowners in Bluffdale, selecting the right replacement windows can significantly enhance comfort and reduce energy bills, given Utah's unique climate. This guide will walk you through the best window replacement options available for Bluffdale homeowners, helping you make an informed decision. Understanding when to replace your windows before diving into options, it's essential to recognize when windows need replacement. Signs include drafts or temperature fluctuations near windows, excessive condensation between panes, difficulty opening or closing windows, noticeable damage, like cracks or warping, rising energy bills, which can indicate poor insulation. If your windows show any of these signs, it's time to consider an upgrade to improve both comfort and efficiency. Window frame materials. Choosing the right window frame material can affect durability, maintenance, and insulation. Vinyl windows. These are among the most popular choices in Bluffdale due to their affordability, energy efficiency, and minimal maintenance needs. Vinyl frames resist warping and fading, making them an excellent choice for Utah's varying temperatures. However, they offer limited color and style options. Wood windows. Wood frames provide a classic, natural look and excellent insulation. They can be customized with various stains and paints, but they require regular maintenance to prevent damage from moisture and pests. For Bluffdale homeowners seeking authenticity and charm, wood frames may be worth the upkeep. Fiberglass windows. Known for their durability and high resistance to weather changes, fiberglass frames are a premium option. They can mimic the appearance of wood while offering better longevity and energy efficiency. While pricier than vinyl or wood, they are an investment in low-maintenance, lasting quality. Aluminum windows. These frames are strong and lightweight, offering slim profiles for a sleek look. However, aluminum doesn't insulate as well as other materials, making it less suitable for Bluffdale's colder months. They are best for homes needing maximum sunlight or modern aesthetics. Window styles. For Bluffdale homes, the style of window you choose impacts both aesthetics and functionality. Here are popular options. Double-hung windows. These versatile windows open from both the top and bottom sashes, providing excellent ventilation. They are popular for their ease of cleaning and timeless appearance. Casement windows. These windows are hinged on one side and open outward, offering an unobstructed view and superior ventilation. Casement windows provide excellent insulation when closed tightly, making them a good fit for Bluffdale's seasonal temperature changes. Picture windows. Large, fixed windows that don't open. Picture windows allow ample natural light and an expansive view of Bluffdale's beautiful landscapes. While they don't provide ventilation, they can be combined with other operable windows for airflow. Sliding windows. With one or more panels that slide horizontally, sliding windows are easy to operate and clean. They work well in modern Bluffdale homes and are ideal for areas where space is a constraint. Energy efficiency considerations. Given Bluffdale's variable temperatures, energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference in heating and cooling costs. Here are key features to look for. Double or triple glazing. These windows have multiple panes with air or gas, like argon, between them, enhancing insulation and reducing noise. Low E glass coating. Low emissivity, low E coatings reflect heat, keeping it inside during winter and outside during summer. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature year-round. Gas fills. Argon or krypton gas between panes further insulates, making the window more efficient at maintaining indoor temperatures. Energy Star ratings. Look for windows with Energy Star certification to ensure they meet or exceed federal energy efficiency guidelines. Installation matters. Even the best windows won't perform well if they're not properly installed. For Bluffdale homeowners, it's crucial to hire a reputable, experienced installer who understands the specific needs of Utah's climate. Quality installation ensures your windows provide the energy savings, durability, and aesthetic appeal you expect. Always check reviews and ask for recommendations when choosing an installer. Budgeting and financing options. Window replacement can be a significant investment, but many financing options can help manage costs. Some energy-efficient windows may qualify for local or federal tax credits or rebates, which can offset expenses. Bluffdale homeowners may also consider financing options provided by window companies or local banks, allowing payments over time. Making the right choice for your home with various materials, styles, and energy-efficient features available. The best window replacement for your Bluffdale home depends on your budget, maintenance preferences, and aesthetic goals. Vinyl or fiberglass windows are excellent choices for low-maintenance, energy-efficient options, while wood provides a classic look but requires upkeep. Ultimately, investing in quality replacement windows will enhance your home's comfort, curb appeal, and value. By understanding your options and making informed decisions, you can choose the perfect windows to meet your needs and enjoy a beautiful, comfortable home year-round in Bluffdale.